Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to get introduced to 3 challenges that will allow you a chance to practice what you learned on the 2 videos with Python basics, specifically Python basics data variables and Python basics loops and conditionals. So let's get to it. So the first challenge is basically being able to use loop to do some calculation on a very small data set. So I have created data sets of students with list of lists. So each list is one student and the whole list is the list of all of the students. So when we have this list of data set, I want to be able to calculate the general GPA, average of general GPA, and major GPA, which is calculating all of the general GPA numbers. So you want to do a loop that calculates average, and then the major GPA. And then I want to specifically calculate the IE, which is industrial engineers general GPA, industrial engineers major GPA, and manufacturing engineers general and major GPA. So fairly simple, just one loop and a couple of conditionals will do the trick. You might find yourself wanting to do more than one loop, but try to resist that and try to complete this in just one loop. So you can see my whole code is really small. It's like 12 lines. You cannot see the code, it's blurry, but after there's going to be another video that I will go over this code with you, but you can't see the result, so you can double check your own result. The second challenge is to give you a chance to practice your being able to do nested looping. So I want you to create a nested loop that creates the factorials from 1 factorial all the way to 50 factorial. For this challenge, you're not allowed to use any modules. You cannot import any module. You have to do it with nested loops. As you can see, it's again a fairly simple code that you can do it in a couple of lines. And the third challenge is to create a message for each and every student and reporting their GPA and their name. Basically using the placeholder and also the loops. Fairly simple, just to get a practice with the string placeholder and the loops. As I said, after this video, I will be posting another video that will help you. We'll go over my code basically.